Google Finance portfolios allow you to track your investments and monitor their performance in real time. Here's how to use them. Access Google Finance. Go to the Google Finance website or open the Google Finance app on your mobile device. Create a portfolio. On the Google Finance homepage, navigate to the Portfolio section. Click Create Portfolio or Start New Portfolio if you're using the app. Give your portfolio a name and select the currency you would like to track. Add stocks to your portfolio. Once your portfolio is created, you can add stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, or cryptocurrencies. To add the stock, type the stock symbol in the search bar and click the plus add button to include it in your portfolio. You can also add details such as the number of shares and the purchase price for a more accurate tracking of your investments. Track portfolio performance. Google Finance automatically updates the prices and performance of the stocks in your portfolio. You can view detailed charts, percentage changes, and the overall value of your portfolio. Set alerts. Set up price alerts or news notifications for individual stocks within your portfolio to stay informed about market changes.